I got out of Spalding Rehab in May, and I was on the feeding tube until the next April. And I was on blood thinner, so because I had a clot in my leg, apparently, when I was in the coma. So I had to see the doctor once a week to have my blood tested. But anyway, when I came home, I was set up with in-house nurses, and I was still having a hard time swallowing, so I ended up going to a thoracic surgeon to have my esophagus dilated, figuring that would help because the muscles seemed to be, strong enough to help me swallow. But anyway, I saw a thoracic surgeon, and he said that the reason I was having a hard time swallowing, he had to break through scar tissue that had gone over the esophagus in order to get down there to dilate. In the summer of 2006, I started going blind. I had my first cornea transplant in October of that year, 2006. The reason I ended up having 13 surgeries, only six being cornea transplants, was they were trying to do something to do a minor surgery to avoid a total transplant. Well, being legally blind, I can't drive. Or do a lot of the other things I used to do before this happened. Mountain biking, walking 5 miles a day, going to the theater, going to the movies, all the things I used to enjoy that I can't do now. I can't drive to the store to get a gallon of milk, a half gallon of milk. I have to set up rides, work around other people's schedules to get to rides and doctor's appointments, grocery store, anywhere. I want people to know that there can be reactions as severe as what happened to me. I feel that generic drugs and brand name drugs should be equal in being held accountable for the harm that they can do to people. It's something that I don't think anybody should have to go through, what I went through.